In this sharing, I will show you about worksheet in the Google Sheet. Worksheet and the Google Sheet very important. Can have used to store data in another sheet. There are 6 steps. Step 1, create sheet. Step 2, change color. Step 3, hide sheet. Step 4, move sheet. Step 5, protect sheet. And step 6, delete sheet. So this is my example. I need one more worksheet. We just to click on this button, and the result we got one more sheet here. And next, I want to rename this worksheet to attendant. Okay, we just right click on this sheet and click rename. You can insert your name that you want to show in this sheet. Okay, finish. Click on cell to leave from the sheet. Okay, we create and rename the worksheet ready. Step 2, change color sheet. Okay, in the worksheet, I just enter some of the information about the attendant in this worksheet before change color. And after you want to highlight color of the sheet, you just right click and choose change color. Okay, the color I choose orange. Okay, the outcome of this, we saw that the worksheet attendant has the orange color under the name of the worksheet. Okay, with the change color of the worksheet finish. Step 3, hide sheet. I want to hide this worksheet. I must to right click on this worksheet and choose hide sheet. Okay, the result is that the attendant sheet hide from this file. So you want to unhide the worksheet, you just click on this button and choose this to show the worksheet. Okay, with this step finished. Step 4, I will to show you how to move the worksheet. I want to move this worksheet to front. The worksheet student list. I just do like that. Left click and hold on this worksheet and pull to the left. Okay, the result, the sheet of the attendant move, and you can try the same. Okay, with the step 4 finish. Step 5, if you want to protect the worksheet, it means that you want to lock the sheet here. Okay, this is effortless. You just right click on this sheet. Like, choose the protect sheet here. You will see that the dialog box. In this box here, you can add some text that you want to show. And this place that we want to choose the worksheet wants to protect. I choose the attendance sheet, and after click on this button, set permission. It means that this worksheet only you can edit. Ready, click done. Okay, please check the worksheet. You see that this is the lock key after you set. Anyway, if you want to remove the lock protection, you can do like this. Click on data. And after choose protect sheet and rank. Click on this protection and click these buttons to remove. Okay, remove locks key from the worksheet ready. The last step, I will show you how to delete the sheet in the Google Sheet. You just right click any sheet and choose delete and click OK. Okay, with delete sheet ready. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.